Hello, today I wanted to show you a free service that allows you to check what is the ranking of your videos at YouTube, named YouTubeRank. To use YouTubeRank, all you need is to type youtuberank.com on your browser. Then, we need to select the country the ranking will correlate to. Note that the default country is USA. I'm going to select India. Then I will paste a YouTube URL. I will open a separate window. Now, I'm going to search for qutub minar. Notice that the current rank at my country for the phrase is 3rd. Now I'm copying the video address from YouTube and pasting it back to YouTubeRank. Look how the thumbnail is shown here. I am now going to select keywords to check. This is same phrase that I checked earlier at YouTube. I'm going to press on Find Rank. And I see how YouTubeRank is finding the rank of this video when searching this phrase from India. From here, you can view the ranking page or share the ranking with your social media. That's it. YouTubeRank, free, simple and very useful.